Look, how many times have we wanted to share the future of Web3 with someone, but oof, what stops us is how complicated it seems. What if I told you that you can gift that first experience, not with a manual, but with a personal gesture, something that truly means something?
Just picture this. Your friend, the one who's always said crypto is too risky or confusing, gets a message from you. And inside, there's a photo from that trip you took together years ago. But this isn't just a picture. It's a beautiful piece of art that also happens to hold their very first crypto. Right there, in that moment, all that fear of the unknown, it just melts away into curiosity. And that curiosity, well, that's the first step toward real trust.
But let's be real for a second. That warm, simple experience is the complete opposite of how most people actually get started in crypto. So why is the front door to this world so often cold and, honestly, just intimidating?
It's because it's built on barriers. You've got these exchanges that look like a professional stock trader's dashboard, a whole new language of jargon, gas fees, private keys. It's a lot. And there's that constant fear in the back of your mind that you'll make one wrong move and lose everything with absolutely no one to call for help.
So this is the gap we have to bridge. The old way is cold, it's transactional, and it was built for experts. The CryptoGift way, on the other hand, is emotional, it's simple, and it's built for everyone. Instead of confusing hidden fees, we have sponsored gas. That means the person sending the gift covers the cost. It's seamless. And instead of that constant risk, we offer simple, built-in security.
We truly believe the solution isn't another complicated tutorial. The real solution is to replace all that complexity with connection. That gift, that shared memory between you and a friend, that becomes the key.
Now let's peek under the hood at the brilliant tech that makes all this simplicity possible. It's something called a token-bound account, or TBA for short. And here's what you need to remember. The NFT you gift, that piece of art, is the wallet. The art and the account are literally one and the same. It's all thanks to some amazing new standards that are making crypto so much more intuitive.
So for the person getting the gift, the whole experience is just effortless. They get a beautiful photo that has real value inside. They can manage their funds with super simple buttons like withdraw or swap. And here's the best part. There is zero platform fees, and those pesky transaction costs, the gas, are sponsored. It just works.
Okay, so that experience is incredibly powerful for one person, for one gift between friends. But what if you could take that same personal touch and extend it to thousands or even millions of people all at once? This is where things get really exciting.
Because the system isn't just for one-on-one gifting, it was built from the ground up to scale to over 1 million users and way beyond.
And this, right here, is our secret sauce. We've built a custom engine that allows brands, communities, anyone really, to launch massive campaigns where every single digital gift has its own little mini wallet attached. Think about that. You could onboard millions of new users in one single, beautiful campaign.
And this engine is incredibly flexible. You can create unlimited gifts, you can run contests, you can do educational airdrops. The claims are secured with a simple digital signature so users never have to worry about complex stuff. You can set custom rules for pretty much anything, date, location, even tasks a user has to complete. And, maybe most importantly for trust, any funds that aren't claimed are automatically returned to the sender. It's totally transparent.
But you know, it's not just about giving things away. We're building an entire ecosystem built on purpose. A place where learning is actually the key that unlocks value.
Welcome to the Academy. This is what we call our Learn to Claim model. So a brand, or maybe a nonprofit, can create a custom learning path, think quizzes or fun missions. Users complete these modules to unlock and claim their reward. And once they do, their achievement is certified forever with an on-chain badge. It creates this amazing growth loop that actually has real purpose behind it. And for our partners, this provides real, measurable impact. They're not just throwing tokens into the dark anymore. They can actually measure user engagement, see a clear return on their educational efforts, and watch their community grow in a genuine, meaningful way.
Of course, none of this, not a single bit of it, matters without trust. And for us, security and radical transparency, they aren't just features on a list. They're the absolute foundation of everything we do.
So what does that actually mean? Well, first off, the platform is non-custodial. That means you and only you are always in control of your assets. The value is stored directly in your wallet on the blockchain, not in some company bank account. Everything is auditable through a public dashboard, so you can see all the activity in real time. And for the end user, we have social recovery to provide a safety net, so they don't have to worry about losing access. We have such a clear vision for where this is going. We're starting with our MVP, focused on USDC gifts and that subsidized paymaster. From there, we'll move into beta, adding swaps to major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum and bringing on our first B2B partners. And then, the final stage is all about scale, opening up our API and even moving into tokenizing real-world assets.
And here's why all of this matters to you right now. We're at the very beginning of this journey. We're at the pre-seed stage. This is the ground floor. This is truly the moment to get involved and help shape everything that comes next.
So, the only question left is, are you ready to help build the future of a Web3 that finally puts people first?
There are so many ways to be a part of this. Whether you're a builder or a technology partner, a brand that wants to connect with your community, an ambassador who believes in this mission, or an investor who sees the next big wave of adoption coming, there's a place for you right here with us.
Let's end on this one thought. The best gift was never the object itself, was it? It was always the door that it opened. And today, that door is the blockchain. And the key is a simple gift that connects us all. A gift that carries a story, real value, and a little piece of the future.